A lot of y'all's teachers don't know what y'all are going through. I promise you, some of your closest friends that you're sitting with don't know half of what you're going through. We only share what we want to share. And there's a lot of stuff that we just bury deep inside and we keep it to us. Eventually, you're going to explode. If you keep all that stuff inside, you're going to explode. I want to learn about you all because I want to help teachers better understand that just because you're laughing don't mean you're disrespectful. It don't mean that she's a rude person. You might just be going through something at that moment. We all bring our issues to school sometimes, right? We bring all these things to school and teachers don't understand that. And I want to let teachers know, like, hey, yes, they're young students, but they're human too. So we don't know what we're going through. Only you know, and only you can release a little bit. And I'm sure you have friends you talk to and your best friends, whatever, blah, blah, blah. I get that. But there's still a line that we all draw as humans. We're like, I ain't sharing nothing. This is something between us. What we talk about today is gonna stay between us. I would rather have you all feel safe to talk about the things we're gonna talk about without worrying about, oh, I'm gonna get in trouble for saying this, or oh, she's gonna put me in alternative, whatever the case, right? So that's why I wanted to create that safe space.